Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can upload video on Preply. In order to do so, here we are at preply.com. And what is Preply all about? Well, you can find tutors or you can become a tutor. Learn faster with your best language tutor, and you can click here to get started. Let's just take a look at some more details here. We do have tutors for a variety of languages: English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Chinese, Arabic, Japanese, Portuguese, and we have more we could take a look at there. Find the right tutor for you. With over 30,000 tutors and 1 million plus learners, we know language learning. But how do you upload a video? Well, in order to do that, you do need to become a tutor. So if you come here to the top, you'll see that we have the option here to become a tutor. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then you can see that we can create a tutor profile. So you can go through those steps. Now be aware that you are going to need to get approved, and that may take up to 5 business days. But once you are approved, then you can start earning by teaching students all over the world and upload your own videos. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And if you're interested in Preply, check in the description. There's a link. Click on that link and you'll be helping us out. We would greatly appreciate it. And that's all there is to it.